Do you want to meditate? I will teach you. First thing, 10 minutes lie down on your belly called Makarasana. Then 10 minutes in Savasana and 10 minutes meditation. How you do it? I will teach you. Makarasana. Left hand on the right elbow, right hand on the left elbow. Place your forehead on the right forearm, feet apart, and lie down like this. And breathe deeply. This allows your breath to become deeper. Now, feet together, arms over your head. For 1 minute, lie down like this. Then, after this, lie down in Savasana, in cross position, to relax your whole body and mind. Drop the weight of the body and just breathe deeply. Relax each and every part of your body. And then feet together, arms over your head, stretch, bend your knees, turn to the sides and come sitting position and sit comfortably in a cushion or any pose or chair and sit comfortably. Relax your whole body first and just watch your breath.